Welcome to today's show. Today we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin prices. It seems like everything is in the red. It's swimming in the Red Sea, which is what I like to call it, except XRP in Litecoin in the USD dollar. Also on today's show, we're going to be discussing Bitcoin wallets holding at least one Bitcoin set to hit 8,000K at all-time highs. Bitcoin wallet address with one Bitcoin balance or higher. Source Glassnode. The continuing uptrend in the wallet balance above one BTC threshold come as analysis suggests that the major Bitcoin holder or whales are accumulating thanks to the lower price in March. The phenomenon should be especially apparent among miners with mounting production costs versus BTC and USD value, leading to a shift in participation. In theory, endorsed by Cointelegraph Markets Keith Wareing, suggests that the miners, whether Bitcoin dropped to $3,700 this month, will accumulate now in order to set off the drop in the income when the mining reward have halt to 6,500 per coin block in May. We'll also be looking at South Korea's biggest bank is set to launch crypto custody service. In other news, the World Organization team up with IBM, Oracle, blockchain-based coronavirus data hub. Ripple, Coinbase get license exemption in Singapore for a limited period. And last but not least, Bitcoin releases its own debit card. Initial test center will be in Malaysia. As we all can see, the Bitcoin price have dropped from $6,665 to $6,126. Also, Ethereum dropped to $126.89. Bitcoin Cash have dropped to $206.48. Bitcoin Silver has dropped $158.48. And as I told you before, the only one that seems to be in the green right now, or pink, is actually the Litecoin, the USD, XRP, Leo, and PAX, and 2SD. As previously discussed, the Bitcoin address holding one Bitcoin on the rise, but only a maximum of 800,000 people currently hold a whole Bitcoin. That is according to the daily release on March 28, which put the total of number of wallets containing at least one Bitcoin at an all-time high. Are holders multiplying? Or whole coiner multiplying? The figure monitoring the resource Glassnode claimed that 7,997 420 wallets now have a balance equal to two or more than a whole Bitcoin. The number has increased by 101 wallet in the past 24 hours. Individual may have access to more than one wallet, meaning it's unlikely that even the equivalent number of people owning one BC considerably. At the time, those owners may have access to the wallet with slightly lower balance. Price action underscore low selling interest. Meanwhile, other statistics show that the traders have been moving funds off exchange, aside that holding, not selling Bitcoin, in their preferred activity under current condition. According to Glassnode, exchange balance are at the lowest since December, when the BTC trade at around $7,300. On a quick take, KB Cookmine, kill me in the comment below if I say his or her name right. The largest bank in South Korea is set to launch crypto custody service. The number has filed a trademark application for KBDAC, KB Digital Asset Custody. The move indicates the service could begin soon. KD Cookman, the largest bank in South Korea, is set to launch crypto custody service for assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. The bank has filed a trademark application for KBDAC, KB Digital Asset Custody. With the Korean Intellectual Property Office, the local news outlets Digital Today reported on Friday the application filed on January 31st reportedly indicate that the bank could launch the service soon. A trademark application in general means that the entity has begun branding product and service, and that much of development work has been complete per the report. This technology generate random key share. Instead of a fixed private key, the key are shared or stored in computer separate derive and output, and that can authorize a transaction collectively. Beyond crypto custody offering, KB could also offer other services related to digital assets such as trading, investment inventory, advisory, and asset management, per Friday report. On our next story, big names including IBM, Oracle, and the World Health Organization, who are among the collaborator on the open hub that will use blockchain technology to check veracity of data relating to coronavirus pandemic. The solution, dubbed MiPasa, is a launching as Coronavirus Information Highway, said Jonathan Levy, CEO of Herica, the company that built the platform. The MiPasa built a hyperledger fabric is expected to evolve as a range of data analytics tools are added, followed by testing data and other information to assist with the precise detection of coronavirus infection hotspot. Other players are involved in the platform, including Microsoft, Johns Hopkins University, China National Health Commission, and more, who did not respond to a request for comment as a press time. IBM blockchain CTO Gary Sen said everyone he had spoken with agreed it was important to kickstart a consortium as soon as possible. We started off brainstorming the idea of how to collect, provided, and use verified information about the virus, says Seth. It is not that we are trying to force blockchain into this solution, but we thought we need to replicate data, we need to have trusted source, and we need to make sure it won't be tampered with. IBM is also bringing the Call for Code initiative to work on the platform to rapidly create tools and might be able to help stem to crisis. Looking ahead to the coming week, things look like coronavirus testing data could be added to the platform. In other news, a number of crypto firms, including Ripple, Coinbase, and Binance, have been granted an exemption from holding a license in Singapore for a limited period. The Monetary Authority of Singapore announced the news on Wednesday, saying that Ripple Labs Singapore, Coinbase Singapore, Binance Asia Service, and others can provide specific payment service under exemption. All the three firms, for instance, can provide digital payment token service until July 28, 2020. The exception will cease after the date, as they are all required to submit a licensing application for their service by then. Other firms such as BitGo Singapore and Gemini Trust Company can also provide account assurance service, domestic money transfer service, and inward cross-border money transfer service until January 28, 2021. The exemption will cease after the specific period is added. Other notable crypto firms that have been granted exemption including Singapore entities of LenderX, OKCoin, DRW, Cumberland, GSR, and PunDX, among others. David Ben Key, Chief Legal Officer of PunDX Lab, said, in compliance with the PS Act, we will be filing our license application to operate account issuing and digital payment token service by 28 July 2020. You know we saved the best for last. Binance entered the crypto debit card sector with the news of an official Binance card on March 20th, issued by Visa. The card would initially be available in Southeast Asia, though other regions will be unlocked soon. The company states, like most other crypto cards, the Binance card allows users to spend their cryptocurrency by converting them into fiat or piggybacking of established debit card. A fairly unique aspect of Binance card is that its internal balance will be a cryptocurrency. Initial Binance Coin BNB and Bitcoin BTC. As Josh Goodbody, head of growth at Binance Card, explained, initially users can deposit BNB and BTC to their Binance card directly from their Binance.com wallet or other crypto wallet. Binance Global Vision. The exchange has been on a roll since early 2019, expanding into other different branches of the crypto industry. Throughout the year, Binance posted achievements such as hosting the first major initial exchange offering, launching its own blockchain US subsidiary, centralized exchange, and derivative platform. Many of its co-founders, notable the CEO CZ, have repeatedly stated that their vision for cryptocurrency has a much wider reach than just exchange. Their global is to dispute they revolutionize the entire financial system. The cryptocurrency card is the natural evolution of that vision. As Goodbody elaborates, the company plans to make the card available globally. We'll first introduce the beta version of the Binance card in Malaysia this April, and we'll add more regions throughout the rest of the year. We see this as a global product. That is all for today's news. Thank you for tuning in to Top 5 Crypto News and Update. This have been your boy Ismail. Have a great day. Peace.